Our bagel shop closed, so now we're making bagels. You need to get 1.5 cups of warm water, 100 to 110 degrees, and pour it into your bowl. Then you take 2 3/4 teaspoons of your active dry yeast and pour it into the bowl. Then you whisk it, cover it, and let it sit for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Add 4 cups of flour into it. I'm using all-purpose flour. You put in 1 tablespoon of packed brown sugar. You put teaspoons of salt, and you beat on low for 2 minutes. Finish kneading by hand for 4 to 5 minutes. Then you put the dough in a lightly oiled bowl and let it sit for 1.5 hours.
First, split your dough in half. Make sure that they're both even. Then split each half into quarters until you have 8 pieces. Roll your dough into a ball. Make a 1 1/2 inch diameter hole in the center. Repeat with the other dough pieces. Add 1/4 cup of honey to a large pot of water. Once it comes to a boil, drop bagels in 4 at a time for 1 minute per side. Brush egg wash on top and sides of your bagels. Dip in the everything topping. Then, bake at 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Danger, extreme cringe ahead.
That's really good.
3. Bagel!
Bagel! We'll just eat them.
Wow, I'm surprised.